To create a Cash App account in Nepal, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you should download the Cash App from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the Sign Up button. You will be asked to provide your phone number or email address to create an account. Choose one and enter the required information. You will receive a verification code on your chosen contact method. Enter the verification code to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name and address. Make sure to provide accurate information as it will be used for verification purposes. You will also be asked to create a password and choose a username, also known as a $hashtag. After providing the required information, you will need to link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. This will enable you to send and receive money. You can link your account by providing your account details or by scanning the debit card. Once your account is set up, you can start using the Cash App to send and receive money. You can also use the app to invest in stocks and buy Bitcoin. However, please note that Cash App is not officially available in Nepal, and using it may require a VPN and a US phone number. It is essential to be aware of the risks and limitations of using Cash App in Nepal. Make sure to understand the terms and conditions and the fees associated with using the app. Additionally, be cautious when providing your personal and financial information to avoid any potential scams or fraud. In conclusion, creating a Cash App account in Nepal requires some extra steps and precautions due to its unavailability in the country. By following these steps and being aware of the risks and limitations, you can use the Cash App to send and receive money and access other financial services.